Hi friends, so today I will be showing you a very quick tour of Lotus Sutra Resort like the one which we stayed in Arambol. And secondly, my daughter Mimi will give you a quick room tour and hope you like her style, so enjoy. So from the beach side, this is the entrance and we came here, and now here we can wash our legs and hands after coming from the beach. And this is the restaurant, and also we have a nice sitting area here. Some party was going on yesterday here, some retro Bollywood party. Now that is the way. So we came down from the restaurant and now we are heading towards our hotel room. So I'll just show you the property. So here are many Buddha statues all around the property, and here at night every day you get live music and party goes on. Here are a few cottages.
The food is really good.
Yeah, the food is good.
It's really
And they customize the spiciness according to your taste.
They have so many nice options.
Yeah, we are
There's
just
a swimming pool,
loving the place.
Yeah. There's a swimming pool and I want to go there.
So this is the swimming pool, and then we have so many beautiful statues over here. So Buddha statues in abundance. And this is the toddler's pool. Hi Mimi. So now through this lane we are going to the, I'll show you the reception area also. Looks such a beautiful pond here, and we have so many tadpoles and fishes inside this pond. Beautiful lotus. And beautiful paintings of Buddha. And that is the reception area. And now we are heading towards our room. So our room is upstairs. Look how beautiful is this.
See this one.
So let's move towards our room. So we are staying at first floor, and let's go. This is the corridor.
We arrived. I'll show you the room tour right now. This is the main door. And we can open it. See? I'll show you the outside later though. But my parents have gone to take the luggage. So that's why we're in here all alone. So I'm giving you a room tour. So in here if you open, it's the washroom and it's so pretty. Hello. So this is the basin. They have provided some soap. And you know what? This is a real seashell, guys. No. It's a real seashell. Actually, really. Here's the garbage. Nobody wants to talk about that. Here is the toilet. It's pretty clean. And here is the shower area. But I think so it is not private. We don't have privacy in here because we can literally see the whole room through here. We don't have any privacy. But unless we open this curtain, we won't have any. If we open the curtain, then we won't get our privacy while bathing or something. And parents can see this, so you're nothing. So you should make sure to not open that. Then this is a closet. A vault! There's a vault in there. I don't know the password.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's the drawer. My dad kept his wallet over there. And yeah.
That's it.
Then here there is another cupboard that we have kept some of our luggage. And my dad has kept some of his
Look
clothes.
at this.
And here was that area from the washroom. You can see the washroom is right over there. So
Look at this.
here is the night table, and here is also a drawer right here.
Everybody knows that.
And here is a telephone. You can call anyone anytime.
And here is a beautiful painting.
Yeah, this painting is so beautiful of Buddhist. And here's the bed right over here. And the bed is actually queen-sized bed, and it's so good. And this is the sofa, so my dad is gonna sleep over there. Here's a cute study table, and I like it so much. Here's another garbage can. Nobody wants to talk about it. And you know what? There's a mini fridge in here. You know what? This area inside is full frosty. Oh my god, guys.
It's
yeah.
do you know the Frosty from Elsa, na?
Yeah. Yeah, wanna build a snowman. So here's a jug. Here's some glasses, and these are some, like, we can make coffee or tea anytime you want. And I forgot to talk about the TV. Here are the TV remotes, and this is the AC remote. For the AC right over there, it's off. And even here, it's a balcony, you guys. The sofa is right here. This is the balcony, you guys. And it's so pretty. But the view is not good.
I think the view.
I tell you guys, but the view is not good at all. I wish we would get a better view though. But still you can get sunlight. So yeah. But it's so cute and it's so pretty. So that's it for the room tour.